In our previous videos, we unmasked alcohol as a master thief, systematically robbing your body of essential nutrients. But the story doesn't end there. The true danger lies in what happens next. It's a vicious cycle. The process of metabolizing alcohol creates a massive amount of oxidative stress, primarily through the production of a highly toxic compound called acetaldehyde. To combat this, your body relies on its antioxidant defense system. But here's the catch. That defense system is heavily dependent on the very nutrients that alcohol is simultaneously depleting. It's like trying to put out a fire, but the fire itself is burning your water hose. When your body is stripped of its essential nutrients, the toxic effects of acetaldehyde are magnified, leading to a cascade of cellular damage. It attacks your mitochondria, leading to a profound energy crisis and fatigue. It triggers a powerful systemic inflammatory response, causing body aches and malaise, and it even leaves your DNA vulnerable to damage. A generic multivitamin simply isn't enough to combat this level of cellular stress. You need targeted support to break this cycle of depletion and damage. Click the link in the description below to read our full guide and discover the comprehensive solution designed to address this perfect storm.